All right, welcome to using Smart Response for assessments and grading. What we're going to talk about in this video is how do I export my data from my assessment into an Excel spreadsheet file, which can then be converted or directly uploaded into my progress book. To do this, you have to start with your assessment. Once you've administered the assessment, you should see a tab that looks something like this. Click on the Results tab. That's what you'll have. In order to export the data, you're going to go to Response, Export Results to comma separated values. That's a CSV file. Click on that. It's going to ask you where do you want to save this. We're going to click on a file name. Give it a file name. Make sure you make it unique. So we'll call it Bell2 CHP19 and click Save. It's going to ask you what data you want to export. For the purposes of Progress Book, all we need is the student ID, the final grade, and column headers. All of this other data, including the answers to the individual questions that each student gave, can be retrieved. Even though you're exporting just the grade at this point, you can come back later and export again. When you click Done, it's going to give you a notepad file. Just close that out because we're going to use the Excel version of this. So you close that. Once you've done that, you can minimize your file, and then you have to go to your storage location. So Bell2 Chapter 19 is right here. That's an Excel spreadsheet file. Just double click that and it'll open it up and show you a file that looks like this. At this point, you can quickly look at the students and their scores. At this point, everybody passed this test, so we'll take that. And then what we have to do is all we really need is the data in these two columns, but the easiest way to get there is just to delete. So we're going to delete this column, column A, delete, and then we're going to delete the rows down here at the bottom that have all the questions in them. Click delete. And once you're back down to just the student ID and the grade, you're going to X out of here. It'll ask you if you want to save. Click yes. Save, yes, the file already exists, and yes to that CSV files don't have all the features that maybe Excel spreadsheets do. So just click yes, and that'll be okay. Then what you have to do is you have to go open up your progress book. All right, so once you've done that, what you have to do is open up Progress Book. So we'll just go to the web. My Progress Book is open. I'm going to click on Zoo fifth bell. No, excuse me, that should be second bell. And we're going to open up the junk file and go to Import the Marks. Click Yes for my data contains headers. Then we want to choose a file. It won't always pop up directly to this folder. You may have to go hunting for your folder, but for now it is. So we're going to click that file and then import the marks. And it'll give us the student's name, the score they've got, and give you the status that says, yes, this is good to go. Click Save, and voila, there are our grades. And you're done.